Sunlight is essential for life, but its UV radiation can harm humans and the marine life. Conventional sunscreens, such as this one, protect us, but they're also very toxic for the marine environment. Reef building corals create marine ecosystems where many species find food and shelter. They have a symbiotic relationship with photosynthetic algae. Corals provide a protected environment for the algae, while the algae provide energy for the coral reefs.
These ecosystems are currently being threatened by the widespread use of sunscreens that leach into our waters. As we dived into the depths of our oceans, we uncovered a fascinating truth. What if we could solve our sunscreen problems not by hurting the fragile reef ecosystems, but by taking inspiration from them? Coral reefs, like sunbathers, need protection from the sun. They've developed their own defense mechanism called Mycosporine-like amino acids, or MAAs, which shield against harmful UV radiation. MAAs are natural sunscreens found in various aquatic organisms, helping corals and other marine life thrive in sunlit environments while defending against UV damage and oxidative stress. Over 30 types of MAAs have been identified in various organisms, but they're primarily extracted from red algae, a costly and time-consuming process. Despite this, MAAs offer potential benefits for humans as UV sunscreening compounds with anti-aging and antioxidant properties, while being safe for the marine environment. There are companies already in the market that have synthesized MAA-based compounds for UV protection, but their high cost remains a barrier to widespread use. As algae might not be the revolutionary solution, let's take a closer look at how MAAs in corals work. What makes these compounds so special, and how do they function within the intricate ecosystem of our oceans? MAAs produced by algae in symbiosis with corals are unique, differentiating themselves from those produced by free-living algae. In this symbiotic relationship, there is a remarkable transfer of MAAs from the algae into the coral tissue, enhancing protection for both organisms. As the host coral transforms the MAAs produced by the algae, it becomes a collaborative effort, creating a highly efficient UV barrier. From all the MAAs known to date, some of the most prevalent ones are found in scleractinian corals, like polythene and Mycosporine glycine. Surprisingly, a single coral species, Stylophora pistillata, can harbor up to 12 different MAAs, showcasing the diversity of these compounds. The concentration of MAAs within corals varies, with higher levels typically found in shallow waters compared to deeper regions. This geographical difference is often attributed to the increased UV exposure in tropical regions, where MAAs occur most frequently. MAAs are synthesized via the Shikimate pathway, primarily occurring within the algae partner of the coral. This complex process involves multiple steps, giving as a result a molecule called 4-deoxygadusol, which is an MAA precursor, and culminating in the formation of primary and secondary MAAs, like Mycosporine glycine and polythene.
Every year, 14,000 tons of sunscreen is being washed into the oceans and seas, resulting in a dramatic increase of the toxicity level and causing a variety of pathologies to the corals. I mean, just imagine a world where our sunscreen not only protects us from the harmful UV radiation, but also serves as a beacon of hope for coral reefs. By harnessing the power of the MAA synthesized by corals and their algae companions, we can flip the script on the sunscreen impact, protecting both ourselves and our underwater allies. Let's make a sunscreen that doesn't just protect, but also preserves.